هاي صاحبك ستة في عندك مقعة
aniga
عثمان اوكي ان هذا صومالي انت كبرت يا انت كبرت صومالي ودنك
ade
يا بوتلاند ما جوجت اوكي هذا قبل كده
amata
فرماجة ها اوكي هاي اسلام ترى مرات كغار
isle ma
هاي دتك Soomaalida ka waran dad noocee waa dil ugu dhac
way
dadka Soomaalida dad noocee waa dad xun miya mas dad fiican
fiican
Soomaalida dad fiican miya
special
okay haye waxaan ku weydiinaa adiga ma ku dhalatay kalarkan ilmaanaad ma kalarka ma magaciis kalarka magaciis albina ya
هذا كانوا يستوي
إلهي كان صح اوكي magaciis marka kalar albina okay haye wadankee u badan Kenya mise Uganda Kenya u badan هذا كينيان ما تعرف اوكي haye أنا دور مرة كمية اوكي haye هذه ان ويليام قرصي ما هو يا وليا وميا haye dadka kalkaaga oo kala cad ان وطن امين وطن افكاري maxaa u malayaa dad xun yihiin people have different things haye
your thing is not mine
yes
this one is not yours
yes
you are different but it's just all the same just a human being only the color doesn't matter
okay but I had the Tanzanian people they eat shirkwa صح أي ما حد يعلن لك هذا تفكيرنا ويجي what do you like to ask the people who are watching you right now? This is normal color. What do you tell them?
This is normal color, but there are few understand. Like many of them, they don't understand. Okay. Even my father himself, at first, he did not understand me. Okay. Now he understands. Okay. It's just a normal color. Even my children, that's not December this color.
You have a children?
Yeah, four.
You have four kids?
Yeah. All are black.
All are black. And still you are white. That's God, the nature of God. Yeah. Okay. So what's your name in Osman?
Yeah. First name. Yeah. I use a Muslim name.
Are you Muslim? Are you Muslim? Yeah. Fully Muslim.
Because we were told first, if you are a Muslim, you must use first name. Yeah. Muslim name. Then second. You can call yourself an African.
Okay. marka hadii islaamtida kale ma xantiray markaan noqon islaam islaam great way normal color
normal human being
okay normal human being also okay and but some people believe that this is not a normal color
but that's a bad belief.
What are the some things that you see with the people?
People have a negative sometimes. Yeah, even for most of the Somalis.
Yeah, Somalis.
They don't understand me properly. But some are so good.
Okay.
Wamatana Hidayah Mosque.
Masjid Hidayah.
That's my best mosque.
Okay. Haye adi Somali ma ka doonta? Why do you go to Somalia? Your first time?
My first time.
You went to Somalia? Especially?
After Siad Barre was Kumpa. That's the time I went there and then I came back. Okay. Because I came back, I couldn't go because of such a thing was happening there.
Okay. You learn Somali in Somali language.
From Somalia.
Okay.
Somewhere called
Somali
Ismail.
Oh, if you are told, what do you describe the Somali people? If you are told, describe how are they?
I
the
tell
culture,
you, those
how they bleed, how they do.
Those people are so good.
Somali
Let me
people.
tell you, if you have a friend of a Somali tribe,
yes,
and he really believes in you, nothing you lack.
Okay,
He
Somali
helps you up the last time. From even this clothes I'm putting on.
Yeah.
It comes from the Somali people.
Somali people are very good people. They know Nepal.
Yeah. Even if they pay me, they pay for me a house. Sometimes I don't have money. They give me money. Give me 3,000, give me 2,000. Such a thing they tell me. Just believe in Allah.
Yeah.
Live about other human beings.
Yes.
He is the one who brought you here.
Yeah.
So even if they say whatever they say, don't mind.
Okay.
Allah is there.
Allah is there.
And He's looking at you.
Okay. Now you are strong Muslim believer. You are Muslim.
Everything I do in my life, I just believe in Allah.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.